Okay, so this has been sitting for probably 10-15 minutes now, and this is the Mountain House chili rack. I showed you earlier how to, basically a little quick camp stove setup. Let's open it up. Let's see. Keep your costs down. Simple. Starbucks fork, reusable. You don't need to go around spending tons of money. People would be surprised the amount of stuff they can use just from using garbage. Let's mix this up thoroughly. So basically, let's show you inside. If you look inside here, I just filled the water until I could see it was like kind of going over the top. I just kind of guesstimated it. Let's see how it tastes. Actually, that's pretty good. It's a little spicy, but it's not like overbounding. It's probably a little light on the salt, but that's probably okay. There's probably a lot more sodium in it than I could taste. So there you go, everyone. Chili mac from Mountain House.